We're going to start right with our body weight squats. My hips are going down and back as though I'm sitting on a small chair. My knees are in line with my toes. You can use your arms to counterbalance. You can also, if you need, have a chair in front of you, even the wall, to help with your balance. The bear crawl. The most important thing to remember here is to keep the back straight and the core tight. It may look like a childish game, and that's not a bad thing. Kids are strong, and this exercise is going to help you develop some of the mobility as well as the core strength that a lot of us are missing. Now, this exercise is quite tough. If you need to use your arms, it's completely okay. I'm laying down on the ground, rolling over, engaging my core to roll over before I sit up. Again, keeping my back straight. You will feel this in your abdomen. Be sure that you're on a soft place, maybe a carpet, even a couple of exercise mats together to reduce some of that pressure.